This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Yo, what's up? We are back at Bileksperten, and you guys remember Nyland Falcon, the car behind here. We did what's it called again? The EU control the roadworthiness test, and it passed most of it, but there are a few things we need to fix. And today we're going to do it. It took some time, you know. I became a daddy, and also Nasir is the daddy to how many kids?
Two now?
Two. Yeah.
I have a daughter and a son.
Yeah, so it's kind of funny. Before we used to talk about cars, now suddenly we talk about babies
And milk.
Yeah, and milk. Yeah, it's a little bit off topic.
Yeah.
I've been trying to encourage milk production for Amri. I've been breast pumping her, so I realized I become the milkman now. But anyway, so yes, so here we have Nyland Falcon. The first thing we're going to do now, well, maybe you can walk through this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because we get last time fault on the lights, as we know. That's the first thing we're gonna fix. After that, we're going to take the door handle right side back, change the switch, and see what else is damaged. After that, we are going to change the, in origin it's called link arm on the suspension. So we can come here. There you see the light is down.
Oh, it's too low, right?
Too low, yeah. And when
to adjust here. It's hard to see, but it's adjusted too low.
Too low, yeah. Here is the adjusting screw. We are going to use an Umbraco tool. So I'm going to turn it here, and then you will see it on the display over there. It should go up.
Oh, I can see it goes up.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, now I see better.
Yeah. So I think almost there.
Right.
So.
And then same on the other side.
Yeah, same on the other side.
Okay, this was a small mistake we did when we replaced the bulbs.
Last time, yeah.
Bulbs, yes.
We changed the bulbs.
So Nasir, do you always work with one hand and then the other hand holding the coffee cup?
No, normal I have my work clothes on with the Bosch car service shirt, but today I was going to one meeting. That's why I'm dressed like that.
Yeah. Even the boss is doing some work here.
Yes. So we are going to take it there.
Let me check this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, let's see. Oh.
So I will take it up and we see what happens. There.
All right. Yeah. Well, that looks good.
And then we come over here. Yeah, it's multitasking today.
Oh, wow, they're working fast over here.
So the door handle, as you see, is not coming out. It's stuck like that. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what we did is that we open the door from inside. We take out down the window and then he open it, and then he will. Tear down the cover for the door.
I have to say, this kind of issue, I see it all the time.
Yeah.
Either like this,
yeah.
that doesn't come out,
yeah.
or I see cars driving with one door handle out.
True.
All
True.
the time.
So, oops, what is that? So, and you can see the clips. Maybe we will inspect them later. Maybe recommend to change all of them so you don't get the scrattling noise. Yeah.
Wow, this is all the soundproofing.
Yeah.
Wow.
So.
No wonder why it's so noisy in there. Compared to Mercedes, for example. Oh, it's the first time I've seen inside.
Don't look like it have there is the.
Wow, it's just so hollow in here. What the heck?
Yeah.
I mean, a German car would have plenty of soundproofing here.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a good room for soundproof. Soundproof.
Well, it seems like you guys have done this before.
Yeah, I have done it many times.
So you can you almost drop it? Well, you get the appointment quickly, right? This is
for this, yes. But before. But before it was many issues in the beginning, but we see a little bit less now of these problems. So I think because maybe Tesla mobile service do it as well to the customer out on the roads. And
do you know if has the parts been improved?
Yes, now it's like they call it like version generation number 3 or version 3, so from 1 to 3. So it's been approved, but still the new one also get the problem. I don't have good explanation on why, but it still happened. So it will be nice to look on some issues that the switch, the micro switch is damaged, or the wiring is bad, or both.
Yeah, yeah. We need to see. I want to see what's wrong with this one.
Yeah.
And but I've been using it. So you see, when I use the car, I will open and close the back door almost more than the front doors because I did the nimber task.
Yeah.
Every time I load and unload cargo, open, close, open, close.
Yes.
All the time. But I almost never had passenger in the back.
No. Maybe that's why it must be used more. That's why maybe it happens.
Okay, so now we're just going to
disassemble it, but this is not original, so it had been done some reparation here, I think, before.
Oh, okay.
And
but this cover here.
Yes, this protect. If you see it from here, it's silicone or some glue for water and air density. So this is also important that is like locked and not open.
Okay, so it's moisture and water.
Yes, because in Norway, of course, we have a very different climate.
I've seen this in pictures before, but I actually never seen it in real life.
Yeah. So we will inspect the wiring first to see, because he's checking if it's some air or bad connection. There you can see it's not so good connection there. Yeah.
That maybe?
Yeah, this should come off, but this is not good connection from this. This is the micro switch. So this we will fix and change it.
So the problem is there?
Yes.
Oh wow, you guys figure it out already?
Yeah. And the other cable look good. You see it's some strips here. So it had been done something here. So it only this one that have an issue. The other one look nice and tight.
I want to know, you know, there's usually a cogwheel somewhere that breaks. Where is that one?
This is here. Let's see where we see. There down. Can you see it there?
Oh, there. Let me zoom in a bit. There.
Yes.
But that one seems to be intact.
Correct.
All right.
So everything else look actually good. So and it's logical because you see the switch register when the handles go out and in, and in in our case here was that the door handle don't go in or out. So that's why it's logical that this micro switch is damaged. Yeah. So we will try to adjust that.
So here we have the new micro switch.
Yeah.
And then we're taking out the old one. Do you guys have any customers coming to you for these kind of repairs?
Yes, because now when the door handles have been upgraded, so it's only small issues now, like a micro switch or wiring. So we have a lot of them, but mostly we do like bigger jobs, and this kind of job is like secondary when we have service intervals or EU control, then we find it, then we fix it.
Okay, so we tried the door handle, but turns out that the motor is also broken. So we're going to put in a used one instead, a used door handle. So here we have the new one, second hand, and this is the one from Nyland Falcon. So see, we use everything except for this part here, right? Let's see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, because it's red there. Ah, yeah. So we just move that one over, and then the rest is intact here. So this one is the light. Ah, yeah. So yeah, that's the light. Okay, if you put it in, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that's the light that you see when it pops out. And then we put the refurbished one back in. I guess you could use a new part, but it's more expensive. So now we reuse old parts, and let's hope it works then. Okay, let's test it now. Oh yes, yeah, finally works now. Oh. All right, just a little bit dirty, but you can just clean it. And let's check the light, by the way. Yeah. So light also there. See, like in the front. Oh, alles good.
Now we will change the link card. My colleague Imran will demonstrate the noise. We will try to see if you can hear it. Yeah.
Very annoying sound.
Yes, Imran. We are now taking out the link card. So it actually, the screw come out very easily. Sometimes you need to cut it if it's too much rust and it didn't come out, but this time it was actually good. Easy to take out.
But we only changed this side.
Yeah, we only change this side because normally we can recommend to change both, but because of that is actually good right now, but for the video sake we only will change this one.
Okay, and but for normal customers you would recommend both sides?
Both sides, yeah. But this one have a issue inside here. Sometimes this gummy here get worn out and it come water and this, but this time it was only the loose joint that's made the noise. Now we will put on the new one and we will register the kilometer and we will see how long this one will last. If is it 10, 100, 20. So it also for us is very nice to know because then we know how many miles it can drive on the Norwegian roads.
So it looks just like the old one?
Yeah.
And it's galvanized, right?
Yeah, look like that, yeah. And some tunings cars they made have the bigger stag to get better response on the road in the turning.
Oh.
So I don't know if Tesla, somebody had made the aftermarket units of this that is bigger, but M car, EMG, and many other cars have usually thicker than the normal cars. Now Imran will demonstrate the same with the new one. Very tight and nice. No noise.
All right, so the car is approved. Now we have 2 more years before we have to go in and check again. So this is the way to ensure that we have some kind of safety on the roads. So yes, what was it again? There was one thing, yeah, the horn has a one fault, which is not critical. but maybe one day we can fix it. But from what they told me over here at Bileksperten, you have to take off the bumper or something. But maybe, yeah, there was one quick dirty way to do it, but okay, we'll see how maybe next time there's some more repairs we can try to include the horn, and then maybe we should try to find a second-hand horn that works, something like that. We don't need a new part. It's not too critical with the Millennium Falcon. He's mostly just what they call again, the press car shuttle. But anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.